Before computers filled rooms and astronauts touched the moon, NASA depended on a group of brilliant, black women whose calculations made space flight possible. They were called human computers. Women whose minds were so sharp that the entire space race relied on their accuracy. In the 1940s and 50s, at Langley Research Center in Virginia, these women worked inside a segregated unit known as the West Area Computing Division. Separate bathrooms, separate dining rooms, but work that was anything but separate from America's greatest scientific achievements. Leading this quiet revolution were women whose names history nearly erased. Katherine Johnson, the math genius who calculated orbital paths and re-entry angles. John Glenn trusted only her numbers before his mission. Dorothy Vaughan, the first black supervisor at NASA, who mastered early IBM computers and trained her entire team for the digital age. Mary Jackson, who had to petition a court to attend an all-white school for engineering classes, later becoming NASA's first black female aerospace engineer. They were joined by others: Christine Darden, a pioneer in sonic boom research; Annie Easley, a programmer and scientist; Miriam Mon, who fought to remove segregation signs inside NASA. Together they were the backbone of NASA's math team, calculating the critical paths that kept astronauts safe. When early computers malfunctioned or produced incorrect data, NASA turned to them because their work was flawless. During the space race, their calculations powered the Mercury missions, guided Gemini, and paved the way for Apollo. Yet for decades, their contributions were ignored or hidden. Their story now shines, a legacy of courage and brilliance. Their impact lives on in every launch and every inspired girl.